Hey guys, so I'm going to the city today. This is what I'm wearing. So I'm actually going to Hermes with my friend. You can probably see my ring light over there. Yeah, this is what I'm wearing. Skirt from, I think it was Boohoo. I'll link it down below because I'm pretty sure it's still available. Hermes Oasis, my Dior 8 top. Haven't worn this in a while because it didn't really fit me that well. Obviously with post-pregnancy, my Kelly Dance Vert Cricket, my Chanel earrings, glasses as usual. But yeah, look, I'm not going to hold my breath. I'm not expecting a bag. If there is one, I'm going to be thrilled, but I'm not feeling it. I'm just kind of over it, eh? I'm over it, which is no surprise, huh? Okay, yeah, so this is what I'm wearing. I'm going to get going. It's very humid and disgusting weather. It's like cloudy, rainy, but humid. It's gross. I hate this kind of weather. But yeah, we'll see how I go. All right, bye.